Jody earned $648 for walking a neighbor's dog for 18 weeks. She earned the same amount of money each week. How much money did Jody earn each week? Well, let's use division here so we can find out how much she earned each week. So 648 divided by 18. So let's set it up. 18 is going to go into 648. Let's do 18 goes into 64. Let's try 3 times. 3 times 18 is 54. Now we subtract. 64 minus 54 is 10. Drop down the 8. 18 goes into 108 6 times. 6 times 18 is also 108. So we have no remainder. So that means if she earned $648 over 18 weeks and we divided it up, she made $36 per week. And that's what we're supposed to find. So the answer is C.